Alrighty everybody, I'm doing a truck review on my 1993 Toyota 4-wheel drive extended cab truck. So currently, I gotta fix the two front bumpers and the hood. That's pretty much it, and the little rotor thing down there. But other than that, it's a good truck. I have nothing bad to say about the truck. But no, I've never had any problems with it at all. I've actually owned a 2007 Ford Ranger. I've had more problems out of my Ford Ranger than I have my 1993 Toyota. So, so I got in the bed, whatnot of it. Yeah, I know I need to clean it. So that's why I haven't drove it in a couple of weeks. So here's my other fender. Here's the inside. Yeah, I'd kind of like to take the carpet out. I like to do that and put the plastic vinyl in it. But yeah, here on my Toyota, it's automatic. Here's the thing for no 4-wheel drive second. That's a little saw I use. I do sell firewood, which is I don't use this truck for it. It's dark blue on the inside. For it to be a 1993, it has 130,853 miles on it. For it to be a 93, that's actually really not that many miles for it to be a 1993. But I want to pop the hood up, show you all the engine. The engine that's in it is a V6 3.0. That's the kind of engine that's the engine. Alright, I'm back. Whoa, focus camera. Focus cell phone. Alright, hold on. Focus. Whoa. No, it's not wanting to focus for some reason. Okay, that's weird. Okay, here's the engine. Focus. There's the engine. So as you can see, it's V6 3.0 EFI. I don't know what the EFI stands for. I don't know. But here battery, windshield wiper fluid. So the air filter goes. Now, when you're changing the oil in these kind of engines, the yellow here, if I get my finger, yeah, the yellow one here, the yellow one is your oil. Then this, I don't know if that's red or orange. I can't tell the difference. I call it the orangish reddish color. I can't tell. For some reason my eyesight for my colors wise, my color wise gets mixed up when I'm looking at colors. Some colors, it depends on what it is. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. But there's the engine. I don't know what's the deal with the recording thing. It started off fine, then I laid my phone down and I picked it back up. Now it's all weird. I don't know why, but it just is. There's my toolbox. Got it from Tractor Supply. No, nobody's paying me anything for advertising. But if they wanted to pay me, that's cool. If they want to, they can. I don't care. But as of right now, that's not happening. See inside my toolbox, there's a door that lifts up. Oh yeah, I totally forgot I had those night collars in my toolbox when I went fishing the other day. Oopsie. Alright, try to lay my hood back down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, see y'all later.